guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Taina Christina and I'm so excited you clicked on my video. So today's video is going to be how I wash my makeup brushes. Yes, you have to wash your makeup brushes. They hold dirt, grime, like product, dust, bacteria. Yes, all of those things are in your makeup brushes that you are now going to be reapplying to your face. So I'm going to take you with me to my sink on how I wash them, what do I use to wash them, and the process I go about deep cleaning my makeup brushes. So if you want to see how I go about deep cleaning my makeup brushes and getting them fresh and clean and prepared to apply a beat face, continue to watch. Hey guys, so welcome to my sink. And so the first thing you need is like a container that you can put your brushes in. I usually like to line mine with some paper towels just so it can soak up the excess liquid. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me just show you guys. Just a bowl, any old bowl will do. And I'm just going to line it with paper towels just like that and keep it to the side for when I'm ready. And then I got this brush cleaner tool right here, this little pineapple. There you go. It has a little handle, and I picked this up from TJ Maxx, and as you can see it has like different shapes and grids and like lines and bumps and teeth to help you clean your brushes. So I'm going to use that to help me deep clean my makeup brushes. Here we go. And here are all my dirty makeup brushes. And the cleaner that I use is this right here. This is the Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap Tea Tree. So this is the cleaner I use. Tea tree oil is an antibacterial and antimicrobial, so it kills up all the germs. And I use this to wash my makeup brushes. It does not dry them out. And yeah, so let's get started. I'll just show you a couple because it's kind of repetitive, like you do the same thing. So I use warm water, and I'll get this wet. And let me get a brush that's really dirty. So here's my foundation brush. It's gross. This is the color of the bristle. This is all foundation, and it's all yucky and it's all dirty, and just nothing about this is nice. So I'm gonna wet this brush down. I'm gonna add a little bit of Castile soap. And this is like the first wash, and look at all that dirty water that's coming out of there. This is just to get that initial grime out. Okay. And now I'm really going to clean it up. Add some more. It looks like a lot, but it like, when your brushes are this dirty, look at that. That's gross, y'all. Go ahead and just scrub it up. This is all I do. I scrub it until it's clean. I rinse it off with this warm water. Don't use hot water because of the glue that holds it. Sometimes if the barrel's not thick enough, you can actually start to melt the glue on the inside, and that can cause your bristles to shed. And now it's cleaner. I'll do one more. There's still a little brown tinge, so I probably was overdue for a wash. And I'll just use this and just go pretty hard on all the sides. I like using the top. It has teeth on this one to get in the side, inside the brush. Deep clean that brush. And now you see it's sudsing pretty clear. I'll keep these suds on the pad, so I'll put it right here. And I'll rinse off my brush. Just like that. Make sure I get all the suds out. Now I also use this tea tree soap on my face. I dilute it with water and I wash my face with it sometimes. Especially if I'm breaking out, so I don't worry too much if there's a little bit of soap left over in here. But try to rinse it as clean as you can. And here's the brush, guys. Nice and white. Nice and clean. Here's the top. I'll do another really kind of yucky looking brush. Here's this brush right here. It's pretty gross looking. The top bristles are supposed to be white. So again, kind of wet it. And I'll do an initial rinse off. Sometimes I'll use my hands just to kind of get that initial layer of product off. Rinse that off. And now you can see the bristles are coming back to life. I'll add a little bit more soap and take it to the tool and really deep clean. And all the little sections help with everything. If you have smaller brushes, larger brushes. So just clean it like that. Really deep clean. And then rinse it off. Again with some warm water. Rinse off the inside. Make sure you get all the suds out. And bam. The bristles are back to being white. So that is how I wash my makeup brushes. I'm going to finish my brushes. But I hope this helped. So Dr.Bronner's, you can use whatever one you like. I like the tea tree oil just for the antibacterial and microbial properties, but they have tons. Like peppermint, they have an orange citrus, they have a whole bunch. They have a baby one that has no scent at all, it's very gentle. I also use that for my face. But get whatever one you like, or some good old Dawn dish soap. That works amazing as well. And that's how you can deep clean your makeup brushes and get them nice and clean. Oh, final thing is the bowl. I keep my brushes standing up like this so the water can drip out of it. Or go into the napkin. The napkin will help absorb some of that liquid. And that way all the water drips out and doesn't stay in the barrel of the brush and causes you to have some shedding of your bristles from getting the glue too moist or too warm or too wet in there. So keep them standing up if you can. That's why I like to use a big bowl. And I'll just line the rim of the bowl so all my brushes are like that to dry. And that's it, y'all. That's how I wash my makeup brushes. I hope this helped you, and go wash all your makeup brushes to have a fresh face. And it helps you, honestly, it helps you get your face like super beat because your brushes are clean. So it applies the product beautifully when they're clean. So go ahead and give your brushes a deep wash tonight, and I hope this helps. So yeah, so that is how I wash my makeup brushes. I wash them about whenever I feel like I need to. Usually around the 2 or 3 week mark is when I feel like, okay, I need to deep clean my brushes. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like that, give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below any videos you want to see or any questions you have today on what I used and where I found the products I used to wash my makeup brushes. Be sure to comment those down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And before you go, hit that subscribe button. It is free 99. Subscribe and be on the lookout for more videos from me. And until next time, bye!